Morgan with a new video from Colored in Confetti. In today's video, I will be talking about spring dresses. A majority of the dresses that I purchased for spring are from Target. However, I did include a couple of other options just as kind of some other options. This first dress that I did try on is from Target. It is from the brand Universal Thread and I got it in a size medium. It's made of this muslin material that's super lightweight, super breathable. I know they make baby blankets out of this and they're really popular because they are so lightweight and airy. It kind of has like a ruffling around the arms. There's a button in the back to kind of allow you to put it on easier. And it does have kind of like a higher waistband. It also does have pockets, which I know everybody likes pockets. Just really cute, really easy. You can dress it up or dress it down, and was super affordable. I think I paid $29. This next dress is also from Target. It is from the brand Knox Rose and I purchased it in a size medium. It actually comes in 3 different prints. The third dress that I tried on is also the same dress, just in a different pattern and color. This one has like really pretty pastel, kind of like a bohemian feel, floral detail. Kind of has the same flower print all throughout, and then at the bottom there's like some kind of banding. Has really pretty flutter sleeves, and there is a removable belt and an elastic waistband that kind of comes up high to kind of cinch you in. It also has a snap around the cleavage area so you can kind of adjust it whatever your preference is. I just really love this Knox Rose brand. It's very Free People-ish and very bohemian, and I think I paid $35 for this dress. This next dress that I have is also from Target, and it's the same one as the second dress. It just comes in this really pretty blue pattern that's kind of like a paisley detail. Same flutter sleeves, same removable belt, same elastic waistband. Also has the same clasp that you can adjust around the cleavage area. It's kind of the same long paneling and then the same band at the bottom. Just really pretty bohemian dress. I really like this. I really like the fit of this dress. I feel like it's just very appropriate for if you're a mom kind of dressing your bump, or if you kind of want to camouflage your stomach. It's just a really cute, easy, fun dress. This next dress that I have is not from Target. This is from the brand Free People, and I purchased this dress at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has some really great options. They carry a lot of high-end brands like Free People. That's kind of where I like to purchase those higher end brands from, just because I don't want to pay full price. I think this dress retails for around $170. I didn't pay that much, but it's a really cute dress for spring and summer. It's like a, you know, like a rayon material. It has embroidered flowers that kind of run throughout from the top all the way to the bottom, and it has the same flowers on the back, and the embroidery is all throughout the dress. Same thing as the others. It has a adjustable waist that you can tie in, and there's also adjustable clasps to kind of you adjust the modesty or lack of modesty, just depending on your preference. Last dress that I have is from the brand Madewell, and even though it is black, which doesn't really seem like your typical spring dress, the pop of colors are really bright, fun, and colorful. It's also like a see-through material. It comes with a removable slip, so obviously you have to wear the slip. It's just really easy, really it has tie details that are really cute around the arms, and it has button detail that go all the way down the front, and kind of like a ruffling that goes all the way to the bottom. Just really cute, easy for spring. If you like today's topic, you can visit my blog, which will be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a nice day.